Hi, we're back in here. I've got the decks here. I put my flooring up here, and there's several things you can do with this. You can just select it here, and you can go and change materials. You can do all sorts of things, but for now we're going to leave that there. We all know how to do that. And then here as well. So let's get our railing in here. So let's go to let's do level 1 first. So we should go down to level 1 here. And there's our deck. And I'm gonna just go railing here, and we can go from, let's go from here to there. I guess we can stop it right here. Oh, there we go. There. We'll finish that. And there's our railing for the first level. Go to our 3D view. Let's see, we're all good here. No, we're not, so we gotta drop this down. This offset, this base offset for our railing is gonna be -6. There you go. And then we'll do the same on level 2. Now I think we gotta close, yep, we gotta close that off, and all this. So let's go to our railing, our sketch path. So I'm gonna go from, say, here to here. I need to fix the column, sorry. To here, and we're gonna finish that, and then we'll need a piece from there to there. So that should just about do it. Let's see how we're looking in 3D. Okay, so there's our railing in and everything. Now what I found out here, for the stair material, what we have to do here, I'm gonna basically, I don't want to go through all this. So what I ended up having to do here for the stairs, I had to go and basically do my paint material, and I used this softwood lumber, and I had to basically, just to get the material on the stairs, and I'm gonna go through that. But it looks pretty cool. I don't know if I can do the railing as well. Oh, I can. Okay. But I'm not gonna bore you with that. You can do that. So let's see here. Yeah, this is pretty cool. Just for the look. So basically that's how that will go. I'll do a few of these. Obviously we don't want to do the yeah, it's pretty nice, I think. So anyway, now we're going to move on with this. I'm not going to bore you with doing this. We'll see it in the next video. I might even change the wood type because it doesn't really match. This is just soft wood. I haven't had time to go and do other wood finishes and types. But anyway, let's move on. So now we have our railing in here. So we need a cover here over the top. So to do that, I'm going to say none here. We want to go up to, let's see what's happening here. Okay, now we can edit this. And then again, I've got that offset issue. So I'm going to grab this guy, and it's going to be -6 inches. That's because of the door height. The door height is basically 6 inches below grade, -6 inches below floor line anyway. So that's why we have that. So -6 inches. Okay. So I think we're all good here. Now let's do a cover over the top here. So I'm gonna go to my roof level. I think we're gonna just cover, it's just, I think this whole thing will be covered. I don't remember, so let's go to our roof. So now on the roof, we've got this. I really need to fix these. It's not cool at all that it's like this. But I'm fudging now, so please don't do this. I'm gonna just do this. I'll fix this later. This is just for this. Okay. So anyway, there we go. So here on the roof, so I'm gonna go architectural roof. Just want to do roof by footprint, and I'm gonna just do this just to cover the deck. And then we got our span here, and then here I'm gonna uncheck define slopes. And I'm gonna finish this and just see what I got. And I don't want that, so basically I wanna just undo this. And here I wanna select this line here. Let me think, I think I wanna do all these, I'm not sure. Here. And here as well. I actually just want this to be flat. Hope I got it here. I think I did. Great. So there's our covering for our roof. And you know, we can play around with this wood, make it whatever material it is, but there you go. So we've got our back stairs in wood. And you know, this is pretty interesting architecture. And this again, this is a roof, and we can give it any type of material, whatever you want to do. I've got plenty of videos to show that. But anyway, folks, thanks for watching. I appreciate all the new subscribers. And next video, we'll go inside and do the interiors. So, hey, folks, see you in the next video. Thanks, and see you next time. Be safe, everybody. Bye.